Hello friends, welcome to my art channel, and today I have come up with another clay jewelry tutorial as I had promised before. And today we will learn how to make your own customized clay jewelry from scratch. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we will need some air dry clay, some clay modeling tools, some molds, jewellery wire, cotton strings, ear push and acrylic colors. So step 1 is mixing the clay components together. So here I am mixing the two components together, kneading them well to make a dough out of it. This step is called conditioning the clay, and it is very important to prevent the development of cracks later. So this is how the dough looks like. Moving on to step number 2, which is making the desired design. And as you have already seen, I am making butterflies today, both for the pendant and the earrings. And yes, use some talcum powder on your hands and on your work table to prevent the clay from sticking onto the surface. I am using an OHP or transparency sheet on my work table, which will just help me to take out the dried clay pieces later without tampering them. For the butterfly wings, I am rolling the dough well to get a smooth and flattened surface from which I'll cut out the desired shape. And that is going to be our step number 4. If you are a beginner, then it will be wiser to sketch out a basic design idea on a paper and then cut it out and use it as a traceable while making your clay designs. Here I am using some water on my fingertips to smoothen out the edges. Once you are done with carving out the shapes, then it is time to glue them all. Attach all the parts together and leave them to dry, and this is how it looks like after drying. I used a toothpick to make this hole before drying the clay, and I need this to attach the string of the necklace with the pendant. Please notice the design. This will be the design both for the pendant and the earrings. And this is how I am adding some more details on the butterfly, and I am using my jewellery wire to make the butterfly stings. Now our step number 6 will be coloring the dried clay parts. And I'll be using only 3 colors here: black, white and orange. I'm painting the butterfly body black. And now we'll make some details on the wings of the butterfly. Here I am using bright orange color to make some beautiful patterns on the butterfly wings. I'm trying to create a color gradient here by using white along with orange, and I'm using a 0 size round brush to do all the details. And yes guys, if you are an absolute beginner and if you are finding the speed of this tutorial video to be a little too fast, then you can adjust the speed of your video according to your convenience by clicking on the settings button on the right hand side of your screen, just like this. Now here I am adding some black border on my design with my super fine detailing brush. Hey viewers, if you have watched this video till now, then I am pretty sure you are liking my video and liking my work. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press on the bell button to stay notified about all the videos that I upload on my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then I will request you to please go watch out all the videos that I have uploaded on my channel till date. I hope you will love them and you will get to learn something if you are a beginner. Anyways, coming back to today's video, here I am adding some white dots on the side of the wings. I am just loving how it is turning out to be. The colors are looking so vibrant and the pendant itself is looking so peppy and vibrant and modern all at the same time. Tell me guys, what do you think? Moving on to painting the earrings as well, I'll be adding the same design on the earrings. Wondering where these came from? I forgot to tell you, but I made this extra set of earrings for my mother to pair up with the same set. We are done with painting and coloring the clay parts, and now it is time for the second last step, which is varnishing. I'm using this varnish from Little Birdie, and this is a gloss varnish. This will add a glossy finish to our jewelry and will also protect the color from dust and dirt. You may apply 2 or 3 coats of this varnish and leave it to dry for at least 24 hours. We have reached the final part of this video, which is assembling the clay parts together. I will be using this jewellery wire to tie the string of the necklace. Please see the process very carefully if you haven't done this before. I'm using beads here, but you can skip this part if you don't like beads and you want to keep it simple. Now it's time to tie the cotton string with the jewellery wire in this way. Make 3 to 4 knots with the jewellery wire to secure the string. I'm using simple cotton string here, but you could also use wool instead. Once the neckpiece is done, I will move on to the earrings now. I'm using this ear push on the back side of these earrings, and I'm sticking them with the help of a hot glue gun. You could also use any kind of strong adhesive for this purpose. And we are going to repeat the same process on both the earring sets. So it's all done now. Ta-da! Please tell me your opinions about this video on the comment section below. Please. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press on the bell button. Please keep sharing all your love and appreciation. And please keep motivating me to get better every day. Thanks for watching. Bye.